Also in Oakland, city leaders are taking more action to tackle illegal dumping, like what you see on the screen here. They're adding extra crews to tackle the problem, and an app has been launched too called Oak 311 for anybody to use to report illegal dumping. Oakland Mayor Libby Schaaf is calling on the public to be part of the cleanup effort.
If you have camera footage that shows who is doing the dumping, we can use it, and you can even earn reward money. So we need you to provide that information to 311.
Wow, Oakland on all fronts. Lots of action, lots of warnings.
So. Yeah, illegal dumping, as we know, has been a big problem in Oakland for years. We've reported on it for years and years. There's been roughly 30,000 special trash pickups a year, and that's nearly triple what it was just 10 years ago.
They're really trying to clean up the streets.
They are.
Of dumping, of sideshows.
All of that.
Watch out.
5:41 the time. We'll be right back.